Hello everyone, I'm going to give you a very basic introduction to how Figma works. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to create today is a rectangle, and we're going to click this rectangle here and we're going to select the rectangle tool. We're going to draw a rectangle and you will quickly see the properties side panel here, where you can edit the properties of the rectangle itself. I'm going to change it to the width of 300. I'm going to set the height to 200. And yeah, maybe I should also give it a little corner radius. I'm using the keyboard up arrow here to select this. And you can see the border radius here changes. I'm going to change the color of this, and that's where the fill section comes in. You click the color and you change that really simple stuff. And you can also add a border or a stroke, that is what it's called in Figma. And you click the plus button here and you get the black stroke. I increase the stroke thickness to 10 pixels. This is really like a quick little intro. You see here we have covered that you create a rectangle, you change the size, you change the color, and you add a stroke. Very basic stuff. We'll teach more in the next section. Bye bye.